You've made a decision to start cooking vegan and plant-based. And one way to help you follow through on that intention is to plan ahead. I'm JL Fields. I am a vegan cookbook author, culinary instructor, and health coach. Meal prepping your vegan meals for the next 5 days is gonna help you eat with intention. When I meal prep, I'm getting my food ready so that when I get home after a long day, I don't have to wonder what am I gonna have for dinner. I will have so many choices when I open up my refrigerator and look at all the gorgeous food I have prepped for the week. Over this course, not only will you prep vegetables and come up with some delicious sauces and dips to eat those veggies, but you're gonna have lunches prepared, breakfast prepared, and then you're gonna have the basics, beans and grains, but better yet, you're gonna learn how to take those beans and grains you had on Tuesday night and elevate them. That's what happens when you meal prep with intention. Meal planning is the best way for you to execute your good intentions. I'm JL Fields, and I'm cooking with compassion.